Good morning, everybody. Welcome to San Antonio Living. I'm Shelly Miles. You say charcuterie, I say yum. Brian Gonzalez is joining us. He's half of the board couple, and we are talking about these beautiful tables, grazing tables that you guys set up. It's good to see you.
You too. Thanks for having me back. This is going to be fun.
Absolutely. This is so much fun. And here's the deal. You know, Valentine's Day is right around the corner.
It is.
We're all really busy. You guys can come up to our house, our business, wherever. You can set up one of these beautiful grazing tables. I don't have to do any work. I just have to say, look what I did, honey. Right?
Yes, ma'am. So the concept is a luxury charcuterie delivery board service. And we also do grazing tables for the catering side. So if you want to have a night in, significant other, you're entertaining a group or a corporate event up to 30, you can just hop online, fill out a little form, and we'll show up at your doorstep. But here's where the luxury part comes in.
Oh my gosh, they're beautiful what you guys have done so far. I mean, look at the tables that you've done around town. Absolutely gorgeous. You talked about serving big crowds, serving little crowds. It's just, I mean, I can't.
So it's, well, you can now.
I can, yes, I can.
You know, actually, Pinterest 2019 trends, and I think Better Home Housekeeping in the UK said that the grazing tables are going to be the trend to watch. So we're excited that we get to bring this to San Antonio. It's kind of flipping traditional catering on its head.
Absolutely. So grazing, this means I graze, you know, all day long, right? I take a little here, I take a little there. That's what it's all about.
It's about making small bites into a meal. And so your traditional charcuterie board usually comes with, you know, sometimes skimpy, you know.
There's nothing skimpy happening here, that's for sure.
So what we do with our grazing boards is we aim to, you know, contribute to more of an offering. And so with that, you know, it comes in 4 different sizes. You can go online and order any one, and we have different amounts as far as like if it's just a night in or if you're entertaining guests or a corporate event.
Okay, but you guys have also spent a lot of time figuring out what goes best with what. So peach jam, right?
Yeah.
What do we pair that with?
So we have our cheeses, right? And we put them in order from sweet to savory. So our fresh cheese there is our goat, our chef. So we always refer back to our friends at Fisher & Weezer. And if you want to throw some peach preserve on that cheese.
A fantastic Texas company, yeah. So this on the goat cheese, right?
Yes, ma'am, on the goat cheese.
Like that?
And it's cool because they have similar textures, so they're both very spreadable. So that's why we always flavor our goat cheese with Fisher & Weezer products. Now, on the brie, this is cool because we always use a fresh honeycomb from Walker Farms up in Rogers, Texas.
Oh my gosh, look at this honeycomb. That looks amazing.
It is, it is.
So that goes right here with the figs?
It does. And it's cool because that has a soft rind that you can actually eat. A lot of people ask us, is the brie, you know, is the rind edible? And so it makes for a good protectant, so it doesn't taint the cheese. You actually get that undertow of flavor with it.
So what kind of wine should I be drinking with some of these items?
I'm so glad you asked. Because
that's always my first question. What kind of wine should I be drinking?
Well, we have some wines from our friends over in Napa. The Wagner family produces Conundrum. I brought the Conundrum line in to show different variances in wines and how you can pair, and it shouldn't be like so troubling. A lot of people get intimidated, you know, walking up to a charcuterie board, where do I start? What do I pair it with? So, you know, it's a little bit of a conundrum. So I thought this
Not anymore, I know exactly what's going on, right?
So for instance, this rosé, it's not sweet.
Let me just check it out for you.
Typically, rosés can be sweet. That one's not, but you get a lot of peach notes from it.
That's good.
I automatically, right? So the rosé with the peach notes, I automatically go back to our friends at Fisher & Weezer, and it makes a delicious pairing.
And that would go with the peach, right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
So this other wine over here is a sparkling wine from Conundrum, and that pairs beautifully with the honey because you get notes of like lemon, Myers lemon, a little citrus. Creamy finish. Does it taste a little similar to something else?
Chardonnay.
Yeah, but because they actually finished their Chardonnay with their Marisol. It's amazing.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, fantastic.
My buddy over there closest to you, their red blend, you know, you get a lot of cocoa and coffee notes, so I always gravitate to dark chocolate.
Like this, for example? What is this?
Those are our dark chocolate walnuts.
Oh my gosh, it's huge. I love it.
We are going to be featuring those for Valentine's Day.
Oh, guys, this is so fantastic, and it's really easy to do. You're doing all the work for me. I just have to show up and eat it, right?
Absolutely, yes, ma'am.
Fantastic. Okay, so you guys have a special event coming up too that you're doing kind of a little bit after Valentine's Day, but we can book it as a gift for our honey.
Absolutely. Great Valentine's Day gift. We are putting on a workshop with our buddies at Fisher & Weezer in Fredericksburg, Texas.
How cool.
At Doss Beach House. It's like a candy store for charcuterie. It's really cool.
Oh my gosh. So if you want to learn how to do something like this, I mean, I don't know if we can ever do it this good, but we can try, right, Brian?
Yeah, absolutely.
You can learn from the pros at the Board Couple. It is the Charcuterie Workshop. Did I say it right? Charcuterie?
Yes, ma'am.
And you can learn how to say that too. All right, here's the deal, guys. Take a look at your screen. The Board Couple and Fisher & Weezer Culinary School happening Saturday, February 16th. For more information and to get on board, go to theboardcouple.com. Oh, see how I did that? It came naturally like that.
Close.
You can find the Board Couple here in San Antonio. If you'd like to start your order for Valentine's Day or your next big event, go to theboardcouple.com or you can call the number on your screen. It's 210-573-2100 for more information.